All right, so I started recording this kind of late. I decided to make a video as I was opening this up. I know I'm kind of late to the game. These ECUs have been out for like, I don't know how long, but I figured I would do an unboxing anyways, considering that the whole reason that I bought this Fueltech is because of the Black Friday deal they got going on. So if you haven't gotten one, this video is going to release before the end of November. So if you haven't gotten one and you're looking to getting into a Fueltech, I'll explain why I'm using the 450 in a second. But if you're trying to catch a deal on one of these, your best option is to jump on one right now. They're $699 at the moment. You can also get their wideband nanos for only like $169 at the moment. I think regular price on those is a little over $200. So it's a really good deal to get it for like for the $169 right now. So because I got their little deal, they also send you, I don't know if this normally comes with them or not, because a lot of my friends that have Fueltechs on their car, I never see them running this, but apparently I guess this is for the map sensor. So it's the map sensor hose. So they send you 10 feet of it basically, because these do have a built-in map sensor. I'll show you in a second. And then they also send you the shirt. When you're cashing out, you can pick what size shirt you want. They send you that. And then there's some like stickers and like a key tag, like a super cool key tag, which I'm gonna be using. So that's all what comes in the package. So let's go ahead and open this up right now. Also, don't mind the mess. Literally just got home from work, and I was like super excited to get into this thing and see what we got here. I have seen these out on my friends' cars, and I don't know if they have, like I said, that extra stuff, if they normally come with them, because usually they don't have any of that stuff with them. This is the first time that I'm actually opening up a brand new Fueltech. So, and there we go. That is some serious tape they got there. I had to use both hands for that. So here we go. Fueltech, welcome. Okay. This feels like there's probably like a book or something in here, or some accessory stuff. So we got, oh, there's some accessories. Okay. Let's see what we have here. Ooh. Okay, so we've got more Fueltech stickers, like a whole book of them. Jesus Christ, that's awesome. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna be using some of those. That is so sick. All right, throw those over there. Here we've got what looks like some type of mounting hardware with washers, screws, and Allen key, because they're all hex heads. Not sure what that's going to be for yet. I guess we will find out when we look through this. And then we've also got, I believe, yeah, there's the micro USB cable that comes with it, because these connect via micro USB to your laptop. Okay, then we've got the quick install guide right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a read through that when I get a second. What is this? Uh-oh. Oh, what was that? Oh, that's super cool. Dude, that's awesome. And I think this is, yeah, this is a sticker. Oh my God, I'm putting this on my laptop. That is sick. So it gives you all the hotkeys and everything. Yeah, I'm gonna put this on my laptop for sure, on my tuning laptop. That's gonna be badass. That's awesome, man. And yeah, so like I said, we'll rip through this book a little bit later. And for right now, the main part, which is what I'm sure all of you have been waiting for, even though I'm like the last person in the world to be unboxing a Fueltech. Oh, I think I figured out what the hardware is for. Look at this thing. That is super sick. I have never seen this, dude. That's what I'm telling you. Like, so I know I have a lot of friends that have Fueltechs and stuff like that, and I've never seen them with any of this, like this little mounting thing. I've never seen them with like the shirts or anything like that. So that's like super freaking cool, man. That's awesome. All right, so now what I'm super excited for, oh yeah. So see, this is where you hook up for your map sensor right here, because this does have a built-in map sensor. And because this is a 450, it's only got a single plug. Let's go ahead and show you this, and then I will explain to you guys why I only went with a 450. All right, there she is. brand freaking new. That's amazing. Yeah, I've had a little bit of experience with these guys. So far, like, their software in the computer is freaking amazing. Damn, that looks really, really blue. In case you guys want to know why there's like a blue, like, kind of reflection here, it's because I have a saltwater fish tank, and right now it is blue light moment. So that's like reflecting over this way. But yeah, so this thing looks amazing. Yeah, I've used their software, and it's super easy to set up. Like, I've honestly never really set up anything easier for standalone versions, because obviously, like, I'm a Hondata. I'm a big advocate for using Hondata on Hondas. That's, for me, is by far the easiest thing to tune in the world. But this thing, if you're starting from scratch, like if you're putting, I don't know, an LS in a freaking like old Silverado or something, and you don't want to deal with like the stock computer and freaking HP tuners and buying credits and doing this and that, you get this thing right now, $700, bro. And then you get yourself like a Fueltech conversion harness. I think those are like a few $100. So for like less than $1,500, like, you'll be ready to go. You could do everything and anything on that thing. Once you boost it, whatever, you could do everything. Yeah, I would recommend using a 550, only because it's got more inputs and outputs. You might feel more comfortable having 2 plugs instead of the 1. But you can wire this to make a V8 run off of it if you know what you're doing with your inputs and outputs, and like how to maximize the use out of your inputs and outputs. You can do the what's it called? Like when you go into the settings, you can set up your injectors to do like you can set up 2 injectors to 1 output, so that way you have like 2 injectors like on the same stroke or whatever, like fire at the same time. And it really makes no difference like performance wise. I think there was somebody that ran a test versus sequential. Oh, that's what it is. So you have semi-sequential and then you have sequential. So somebody did like semi-sequential versus sequential in a dyno at one point, and they found out that it really doesn't make any difference. You can also set it up to multi-point. So when you do a multi-point, basically all 8 injectors fire at the same time, so the fuel is just sitting in there, and the performance really didn't change much. Yeah, they got better performance like doing just individual injectors like sequential compared to like doing like multi-point, but I believe the gains were like something minimal. Like it's kind of like pointless. But anyway, so yeah, so this, I'm gonna be using this so that I can basically create a jumper for my B series in my Integra. My Integra is already tuned on Hondata, so I'm really familiar with how that feels. So what I want to do is I want to get into tuning it with this, and then so basically I can get really comfortable like using the Fueltech software and stuff like that for tuning, and then hopefully I can expand my knowledge and I can start, you know, tuning other people's cars and stuff like that with the Fueltech, because I'm really well versed with the Hondata software. And I'm really familiar with it. I mean, it's like I don't even have to think when I'm using the Hondata software. But this thing, you know, it's completely new. The interface and everything is like super cool, looks super simple. But I just really want to have my own, hook it up to my car, get it going, get really familiar with it and stuff like that. And then hopefully I can start helping people with this too, not just Hondata. But yeah, so that's why I got it. So this is going to be basically just research and development. And then also, a lot of you know that I did mention that most likely this was gonna be the giveaway for my channel for when I hit 1,000 subscribers. So if you're watching this, make sure that you subscribe, make sure that you share the video, make sure that you comment, make sure that you like, make sure that you do all the stuff that it is that you're supposed to do on people's YouTube channels to help them out. And then once we hit 1,000 subscribers, then I'll go ahead and make a video and I'll put the rules up and stuff like that, so that we can do the giveaway for this and get all of that sorted out. But so yeah, so for now, that's pretty much gonna be it, guys. I hope you liked this video on the unboxing, even though I'm like 10 years late. And hopefully this will motivate a lot of you guys to actually subscribe, and so that way we can go ahead and get you guys like entered in the giveaway when the time comes, once I get to 1,000 subscribers. And yeah, I'm looking forward to having a lot of fun with this, doing a lot of R&D with this, like on my car and for other people's cars, just to make everybody's lives easier. And yeah, so with that being said, guys, don't forget, follow my Instagram, CM_ProjectBteam, so that way you can see the rules for the giveaway. With that being said, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.